Hi everyone, I have a good news to share with you all. I will be putting my stuff in this store. With that being said, I'll be opening an art shop and I want to take you all along with me to preparation. So this will be the first episode and I will show you guys how I design, how I print the stocks and also packing. So as you know, I have a zine account that called Public Stage. You can check in my Instagram and I've been making a lot of zines, a lot of memo pads, and I will be selling that. And if you follow my art account, besides working with clients, I love making passion projects because passion project means practice, and some of the design I will also share and sell it as an art print. This will be my first art print. And last night I just found these that I made before I have my zine account. That's why I'm so confused. Should I keep this? Should I just sell this or I print this one? Because you know, I add these words and here and also here. And I also changed the logo, my zine account logo. Close the same to here. Should I just sell this one or should I print the new one? You know, I also changed the logo. And you know, to not wasting time thinking of those two art prints, I want to print this and this one. You know, this is my love and hate relationship with my printer because you can see that this is not brown but orange, and sometimes my printer can print this kind of colors like straight out of the printer and I'm so confused. And the other bad thing is this paper is very limited. My stock of this paper is very limited and I don't know if the stock is gonna enough. I think we will figure out together. If you watch my other videos, I already posted that I made this zine section, so probably I will include this and this zine. I'm not sure. This is my first time, so I probably will test the market, and I will print this around 2, and this one is also 2, so they have limit stocks. For this zine, I will be using a paper that I bought in Japan. It has like this texture. I really love it and I will show you and I will show the tutorials. Not only that, I will be selling these memos. You know, I think that this is too long and I don't have a plastic that will fit this, so I make the short one and quite small but not that small. I received some DMs, people asking me, can you do a tutorial of your design? And today's the day. Because today I'm going to make a knot print with Kittl. Thank you Kittl for sponsoring this video. This is my first ever sponsorship and I'm so excited about it. Thank you so much. And Kittl is the intuitive design platform that you can find online. Just type kittl.com. And I think that would be a great start if you want to start graphic design but don't know where to start, because they have a template of logo, poster, typography that you can use and you can learn. And what makes interesting is that they have a background remover, factorizer, image generator, design generator, and I think that is very cool and thoughtful. Since I love illustration, I design my illustration first in my iPad and then I will bring it to Kittl for layouting and coloring. So I already print out these stickers. The sticker is basically for my prices. You can see this $2 for the die cut sticker. I'm still thinking about the other stuff, so that's why I make these empty squares. And for these big ones, I will stick it in the shelf because concept will be a consignment store and there will be a long shelf. Each artist, I think we got around 600 and we put our stuff there and people can come and see and buy, something like that. I'm so excited about that. For example, this is an art print and I will take this, maybe stick on the back because I don't want to cover the design, and yeah, we're going to do it together. I just got back from the church and I will continue to cut my logos, and I have to be patient because it's a little hard to cut and it has been This is actually my first ever long video. I want to say thank you so much if you watched till here, and stay tuned for part 2 where I will take you all along with me to set up my stuffs in the consignment store. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.